Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set menu shortcuts for your XIAOMI G27Qi gaming monitor. To do that, we first have to open the settings menu on our monitor. To do that, just press the joystick button on the back side of your monitor. You can reach it from the right side like this. Then to open the main menu, you have to drag the joystick to the right, and after that, in the first column, we want to drag our joystick down up to the menu settings. Now drag the joystick to the right and scroll down to shortcuts. Now to apply shortcuts to joystick's keys, we have to select the movement we want to change, so the up button, down button, or left button. For example, let's select the up button, and now all the shortcuts, all the remap options are presented in the third column. So we can use input, dark scene boost, target, volume. So for example, if you want to enable target quickly using the up button, you select target and then you exit this menu by dragging the joystick to the left, and now without pressing the joystick, just drag it to the top and select a target that you want to use, and the target will be displayed in the middle on your screen. And now if you want to disable the target, just drag the joystick up once again and select off. And so that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.